Let me tell you a story. It's 11:30 p.m. John, a 36-year-old software engineer, just finished another long day at work. His eyes burn from staring at screens all day, but before sleeping, he opens his bank app and sighs. Despite earning $120,000 a year, his savings barely touch $8,000. And every month it feels like money just disappears. Then one night, John calculated something that froze him. If he kept saving like this, by 65, he'd have less than $250,000 in total savings. But his retirement needs were over $1.2 million. That's when it hit him. Working hard doesn't automatically mean you'll retire rich, because financial freedom isn't built by your paycheck. It's built by your portfolio. Let me ask you something. Are you also working full-time but have no idea how to actually build a retirement plan while juggling bills, taxes, and life expenses? Do you feel like investing is something I'll do later, but that later just never comes? But what if you could build your entire retirement portfolio while still working full-time without giving up your lifestyle? What if I told you that you don't need to be rich to retire wealthy? You just need a system? And what if you could start today with whatever income you already have? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design your retirement portfolio. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Let's dive in. Number 1. Create an automatic wealth engine. Most people believe wealth requires big moves, massive salary jumps, risky trades, or side hustles that drain your energy. But the real secret lies in automation. When you make investing automatic, you turn inconsistency into discipline without willpower. Set up direct transfers from your paycheck into your investment account before you even see the money. The less you touch it, the more it grows. Think of your portfolio as a silent business partner. It works even when you're too busy working your day job. Automating contributions means you stop negotiating with yourself every month. No, maybe next time. No, let me wait for the market to dip. Just consistent compounding progress. When you treat investing as a non-negotiable expense like rent or groceries, you'll be shocked at how fast your portfolio starts forming. The earlier you automate, the sooner compounding becomes your teammate. Number 2. Diversify like a pro without acting like one. You don't need Wall Street jargon to build a strong portfolio. You just need to understand balance. Diversification is your armor. It protects you from the unpredictable dance of markets. When one area dips, another rises, keeping your overall wealth steady. Think of your retirement portfolio like a meal. Stocks are your main course. They fuel growth. Bonds add stability. Real estate and REITs bring flavor through consistent income. A sprinkle of cash reserves keeps everything digestible when life throws surprises. The goal isn't to predict the next boom. It's to survive every bust. Diversification turns volatility from a threat into an opportunity. It means you'll never have to panic when headlines scream, "market crash." Instead, your different assets counterbalance each other, letting you stay calm and consistent. For those working full-time, simplicity is your ally. Choose a few broad ETFs or index funds that give you exposure across geographies and industries. Then leave them alone. Diversification is about spreading intelligently, not chasing endlessly. Now, we'll layer income into your portfolio, so your money doesn't just grow, it pays you back every month. Number 3. Add dividend income to build invisible cash flow. Building wealth isn't only about watching numbers rise, it's about creating steady cash flow that grows on its own. Dividend stocks and dividend-focused ETFs are your secret allies here. They pay you regularly just for owning them, like rent checks without tenants. Start small with companies known for consistency, businesses that have increased dividends for years, not those flashing overnight riches. The beauty of dividends? You can reinvest them to buy more shares automatically. That's compounding on steroids, earning returns on your return. The more you reinvest, the more shares you own. The more shares you own, the more dividends you earn. That snowball doesn't stop rolling unless you do. Over time, these dividends can supplement your income or even cover monthly bills. Imagine logging into your brokerage account and seeing money deposited without you doing a thing. That's the essence of passive income. This layer of your retirement portfolio acts as a buffer in uncertain markets. Even if prices fluctuate, dividends keep coming. You'll soon realize that income can be more reliable than price appreciation. Let's balance that growth and income with stability. Number 4. Balance growth with safety, using smart asset allocation. Building a retirement portfolio while working full-time isn't about chasing maximum returns. It's about designing stability that grows. That's where asset allocation comes in. It's your personal risk dial. The younger you are, the more growth-focused you can be. As you get closer to financial independence, tilt towards safety. A balanced mix of equities, bonds, and other low-volatility instruments keeps your portfolio healthy through every season. Stocks bring the potential, bonds provide the cushion. When markets soar, equities drive your portfolio higher. When they fall, bonds soften the drop. Adjust your allocation periodically as life changes, career shifts, family responsibilities, or major purchases. The goal isn't to time markets, but to match your portfolio with your emotional tolerance. Too much risk and you'll panic. Too little, and inflation will quietly eat your returns. Working full-time gives you an advantage. You're still earning income, so your portfolio can take moderate risk. Think of it as a partnership between your paycheck and your investments. Together, they handle both short-term needs and long-term freedom. Number 5, be consistent when markets aren't. Everyone loves investing when the charts are green. But true wealth builders stay consistent when things look ugly. The secret? Dollar-cost averaging. Instead of guessing when to buy, you invest fixed amounts regularly, regardless of the market mood. This strategy smooths your entry points, buying more when prices fall and less when they rise, without requiring predictions. It's emotional discipline disguised as simplicity. When others panic sell, you keep planting seeds. Over years, that discipline pays off massively. You'll notice something fascinating. Volatility stops feeling scary. It becomes an opportunity. The greatest investors aren't those who time the market, but those who spend time in the market. Consistency beats brilliance. As long as you're contributing regularly, your future is compounding quietly. Make it automatic, make it boring, make it permanent, because boring wealth is better than exciting debt. Number 6, convert extra income into long-term wealth. Your raises, bonuses, side hustle money, and tax refunds are not for impulse spending. They're seeds for your retirement forest. Each unexpected dollar can either disappear into lifestyle upgrades or multiply inside your investment portfolio. The choice defines your future. Instead of buying new gadgets or spontaneous getaways, direct windfalls toward your portfolio. Treat that money as if it never existed in your checking account. Over time, these found dollars add serious weight to your investment snowball. Here's the psychological hack. Labeling matters. When you name a bonus Freedom Fund or Retirement Accelerator, your brain sees it as purpose-driven, not spendable cash. That mindset builds unstoppable momentum. Even partial allocation counts. Half for enjoyment, half for growth. You'll satisfy the present while fueling your future. The result? Guilt-free spending and steady progress. Think of every extra dollar as a vote for your future independence. Keep voting wisely, because soon that habit alone will separate you from the crowd. Number 7, rebalance and review without obsession. Building your retirement portfolio isn't a one-time project. It's a living system. Markets change, economies shift, and your life evolves. Reviewing and rebalancing ensures your investments stay aligned with your goals. Once or twice a year, check whether your asset mix still matches your comfort level. If one part of your portfolio grows faster than others, trim it slightly and redirect funds where you're underinvested. That small act keeps risk in check and returns steady. Rebalancing is not about micromanaging. It's about maintaining harmony. Think of it like tuning a guitar. Even the best instruments drift out of tune if ignored. Avoid checking daily. That breeds anxiety. The goal is mindful maintenance, not obsessive monitoring. Automation can handle most of it through target date or balanced funds, but conscious oversight gives you confidence. Remember, your full-time job funds your present. Your investments fund your future. Treat rebalancing as your annual performance review with yourself. Number 8, define what freedom looks like and build toward it. A retirement portfolio is not just a pile of money. It's a plan for freedom. Before chasing numbers, define what freedom means to you. Is it leaving your job early, working by choice, traveling, or simply never stressing about bills again? That vision shapes your entire approach. When you know your why, every contribution feels meaningful. It's no longer about saving, it's about building a life. Set clear milestones, not vague dreams. Maybe it's covering my rent from dividends or reaching a balance that replaces my paycheck. The purpose of this portfolio isn't to make you rich, it's to make you free. A well-built system quietly funds your choices while you sleep. Working full-time gives you the best advantage: steady income and structure. Use it to design the exit plan that suits your lifestyle. You're not just working for money anymore. Money is starting to work for you. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you're curious about 8 signs of quietly wealthy, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.